Hello guys, welcome to my new video. I know I am making this video after a long time. This was because I had been working on developing my own app for easily tweaking Windows. By using my app, your PC will become much faster than before. It will also increase your FPS if you play any games and reduce the in-game lag. You need to watch the whole video in order to understand how to properly use each and every feature in my app. So let's get started without any further delay. So first, open any browser as per your wish. Then go to my website using this link, and if this doesn't work for you, then click on the link in the description box of this video. Once you are on my website, look up for this post as I did in the video and simply open it up. These are the screenshots of some of the features in the app. You may read all these to know the features of my app, and don't worry, I will be explaining each and everything to you as we go on in the video. To download the setup file, first click on the download button. Close the tab of the pop-up ads you see as I did in the video. After closing 2 or 3 pop-up ads, you will see that an exe has automatically started downloading. Simply run that exe file in order to install my app on your PC. Now click on Install. After installing, you will see that a shortcut had already been created on your desktop. The app will open automatically after installing, but if it does not, then you can open it from the shortcut created on the desktop. So, to get started with the tweaks, first create a restore point using this button. A restore point is being created on your system. Be patient and wait for the confirmation message, and don't close the app before it. You may have to wait for a few minutes depending upon your PC speed. After you see this confirmation box, click on OK. In case anything goes wrong after applying the tweaks, you can revert the changes using this button. This is the restore point which was created now. Once you click finish, all of the changes made to your system after creating the restore point will be reverted. Now we can start applying the tweaks without worrying about anything. From here, you can disable the unnecessary Windows services which keep on running on your system for no use. This option disables all Xbox services. Do not disable this if you use Xbox achievements or gamerscore in games that you downloaded from Microsoft Store. This option disables Windows Insider service. Do not disable it if you are a part of the Windows Insider program. This option disables all print services. Do not disable if you use a printer connected to your PC. This option will disable downloaded Maps Manager service. Do not disable it if you download offline maps. This option will disable Bluetooth services. Do not disable if you connect devices to your PC using Bluetooth. This option disables all telemetry services which collect data from you to improve user experience. This option will disable over 35 unnecessary services which run in the background for no use. You can safely disable these services. This option disables biometric services. Do not disable if you use biometric devices. This option disables Windows Game Bar. Do not disable if you use it. Here, you will see some useful Windows tweaks. Go ahead and simply enable all of these options. After doing this, click on this button which will allow you to uninstall all useless apps to decrease load on your system. To uninstall an app, click on it once and then click on Uninstall button on the top left. You should uninstall all the apps which you don't use. After doing this, close this window and move on to the next steps. Click on this button to fully optimize your hard drive or SSD. From here you can delete all the junk files to free some extra space on your system and make it faster. So first, you need to scan for junk files. These are all of the files that are going to be cleared. This is the total file size that is going to be freed from your system. Now clear the junk files using this button. All junk files were deleted successfully, but you still may see a few files left out because they are being used by your system. From here, you can remove all of the startup apps which start running as soon as your PC starts. To do this, first select all the apps which don't need to be opened automatically when your PC starts and simply remove them. Once you hit refresh, you will not see those apps here. Now we have applied all of the tweaks. If you have any problems by using my software, then you can contact me on my Discord server by clicking here or by using the link in the description box. It took a lot of time and effort for me to develop this app, so if you think that it helped you out, then please consider supporting me using the following button, which will take you to a page on my website. You can use any of these buttons to support my work. So guys, that is it for today's video. Make sure that you restart your PC after applying these changes. Now, your PC is running at its maximum potential. You will surely see a FPS boost in games and your PC will be running much smoothly than before. Consider subscribing the channel and like this video if it helped you out. Do share it with your friends. I will see you in another video. Goodbye.